Hello friends, I'm starting to place called Yercaud. It is located in Tamil Nadu. It's a hill station and now present I'm in Electronic City and heading towards Hosur, and this is the border of Tamil Nadu. It start from here from starts Tamil Nadu, and here I took some shortcut route to Yercaud from without going to Salem. This ghat is very difficult, to start. Better to start from Salem. It is nice. Salem ghat is very nice compared to this. From here, no worries, road and the journey.
चढ़ते ही तो गाड़ी डर
Here we entered our destination, Yercaud. Yeah, here I'm going. This place is called Clear Waterfalls. It is a bit nice waterfalls to hang out. This is the main entrance of Yercaud, where the hotels and big junction will come. From here we can go Bangalore. Our trip ends here. We are heading towards Bangalore. We are taking Salem Road. It is very nice. I liked it. Compared to which we came yesterday, this ghat is nice.